materials we are going to need are the base, a straw, clay, pins, arrows,
Pre-cut arrow.
here. And we need the north, south, west, east letters.
And then, ano yung orange?
And this is
Top base.
the top base. Here we will put the letters. Okay, first step is we need to put the clay inside the base. Then close it. Make sure it is on the middle. Then we need to glue our direction base. Then this hole we are going to put the pencil.
Later.
Now we are going to glue the direction base. Glue. We better be quick before the glue dries. And let's insert the pencil. And make sure the pencil sticks to the clay inside. Now let's put the letters. First, we are going to glue the letter N. Now we'll make the arrow. Make sure your straw has slits, and this straw is 16 cm. The straw should have slits on both sides. Then you will put the arrowheads here. And you should put glue for more so it will be secured properly. I put some black edges on the letters and the arrows so it will be seen well. Now we are going to put the arrow here on the top of the pencil with a needle. Now we are going to put the needle in. Oh, like that. Now this is the final product of the wind vane. Now let's test it on the electric fan. This is my wind vane. It measures the strength and the direction of the wind. Without the wind, the arrow stays still, like that. But when you put wind, and the wind touches the arrow, it moves. The